I ain't gonna fuck my Drake Nation. I ain't gonna front. Every time I try to bump my son's side, baby, though, it's like they don't let me bump sides, so I ain't gonna front. I don't know which song I can bump on my son and which song I can't, but side baby, that's my son the lowest, and I ain't gonna front. I don't get no free promotion shit, but side my son, I ain't gonna front. What should be my girl? What should be my girl? That be my girlfriend. My girlfriend. My girlfriend. Yeah, they don't fuck around. They just bullshit like this. Represent my life. Just put out this content for y'all. I love y'all, my generation. If it wasn't for y'all, they would post me videos. That wasn't giving me no feedback, no support. Y'all ain't showing no love. I don't know what I be doing right now. You heard my generation? I dead love y'all. I appreciate y'all. So everybody watching me right now, take some time out yourself. Just know that the real just love you, heard? DFA, don't fuck around. Yo, listen, my generation, I ain't gonna front. Right now, I'm on my fab shit, Soul Tape 2, you heard? I don't know how young y'all is watching this right now, you heard? But if y'all know, Fab had the streets at a point in time. These Soul Tapes and certain shit, over my dad, you heard? Like on a real tip, though, you feel me? I hope y'all can hear my generation. Fab, that ass, like, brought me through a lot of times in my life, my generation. I used to walk home, you heard? Every night, you heard, with no money in my pocket, you heard? No bread in my pocket. I used to try to ask the bus driver to get on the bus. Niggas used to tell me no, you heard? I never used to have a cell phone, my generation. Shit was dead rough for a nigga, bro. All I had was a tablet, you heard? I used to walk home with a big tablet in my pocket. Some nights the bus driver tell me no, it's freezing outside, bro. I'm walking home with tears in my eyes. Popping some Fab to the crib, boarding my dad, bro. So like when I hear this shit, like, shit here fake different. Let's get back to that real shit. That sit back to that real shit. Bring the trophies to the club, that is savage. No funny shit though. Fab was that my son. That my son still though for me. Fab was my son, my generation. That shit hit my soul. I used to walk home in the cold to these songs. Right now I'm driving the big 8 Nifty. Yo, could throw it in Sport Plus now if I want to. You get me, chat? Like shit real now. You understand? Like shit, throw a nigga back in the seat now, nigga. The bus driver can't tell me no more. I'm passing past the bus with no problem. Yo, watch out, boss. Please excuse me to me. Let me get caught. Oh, he acting up now. Oh shit. It's a what's this right? A Subaru in the wild. I'm just in the wild right now. I'm gonna see what he gonna do. He in the wild with it, y'all. My generation should be real. It should be nice, yo. I mean, you know, New York City drivers always flake. They get some NASCAR shit. I don't know what's going on. Yo, I gotta throw one more for my nigga Fab real quick before this nigga try to take a dip and nigga out. Come on, niggas is trying to eat, you heard? Niggas is trying to eat, you heard? I hope they let me post this video. Word of my dad, you heard? DFA. I'm screaming bite. I'm sitting by your head of your boy just took it on me just now. I'm over here trying to be cool. I'm an eco. Boy just took one of those ones on me. I ain't gonna fuck. Look, my generation. I don't lie. Look, I'm in the way here right now. Yo, remember boy in the Subaru, so that shit little, he just. Okay, my fault, bro. So I was even trying to fuck with you. I'm chilling right now. I fuck with the organic content, everything official, not on stage. Look, this is a day of my life, you heard? Whatever come next, come next. I already know how to do your thing. Don't fuck around. I'm about to go to a car meet real quick, you heard? I ain't gonna front. I never been to a car meet, but I'm about to go see about right now, you heard? I was heard my nigga Blue Skill right now, you heard? No,
Stay in the middle lane. Go past.
My nigga flu shit, I ain't gonna flu your flu. Smoking this gang on his drink.
Looking like a bad, know what to lean. Eating my phone, better ordering things. If I go ball, I'ma brand the whole team. Two in the rest, I might fuck on my spleen. Rats in, on ya. Rats on ya. Rats in, on ya. Rats on ya. Eating my phone, better order things. Put it in my cup, I had no the lean. Ball in the paint, bitch, I feel like Kareem. Couple of them, I got the trust. Came from the whip, but I'm finna go north.
Outside, I ain't gonna front. You know I gotta see some bad. It's bad little shit out here too. Sure. I gotta come on, nigga. Twist it now. You know it's some shit out here right now. Who this nigga with?
Nah, nigga. Don't fuck this fucking curve right there, bro. What? What?
The curve not
high. Yo, try to find a park down here, gang.
He said, hell.
Try to find a park down here.
He said, hell no, bro. You wildin', buddy. Oh, nah, twist shit right here.
Yo, I'm gonna this shit right here, gang.
What you in there? Fuck it, John. That shit dirty as hell, too. That's a crazy part. Nigga said, nigga ain't prepared for this shit. Hell yeah, bro. You know that vibes. Word, son. Twin said, nah, son. Just pull up, son. My nigga, yo, look, in my shit nation. My nigga twin blew me into the car. Yo, twin, what's the words, Husky? You don't have to. I said, nah. Then, nigga, they be like, hearing the dances and all that. Fuck it, twin, I'm getting my pulls in the corner, twin. Fuck it, yeah. Twin said, I might as well give him a pull. Nah. As he was like, nigga said, nigga.
Just let someone to see what I want.
Oh, I still got the camera too?
Son, if all you over there too.
What?
Oh, the Mac, I'm not here. I gotta be outside.
Yeah, for sure. Nigga wasn't even pull up in for 2 minutes. You don't wait here trying to fuck. I already know that. Can't make this shit up. Right now, Project Nation, it's mad console. Niggas on bikes over there and shit like that. They got the eaters here now, so we gonna see what's going on to be exact, yo. Word. Hopefully they're not eating too crazy, man. Yeah, they is eating, because they would've went around. We got big toys out here right now. That just sounds crazy. That girl that was young, that was no action, y'all. That's the e-tron. That's an electric shit too. That shit push. Got the imps out here and all that. Look, next location, y'all. DFA. You know my nigga Twitch, you gonna float on a pull over. Regular Twitch, that shit. I ain't gonna know my shit. Mod right now, B's deep mod thing, no? Yo, niggas moving mods. Oh, I'm following Nintendo. That's what's going like for me. They in New York City, man. I ain't going for this shit. Ain't crazy. For sure. For sure. Yeah, for yo, my Jig Nation, mad feet about to put me. Let me, oh, damn. It's going down already. Oh, niggas bound already, y'all. Look, mad feet pulling up. Some car seat shit.
Yo, now we not playing games, no time. Ask me the one 4, 5,
Cause you know you got about to trip old though. Yo, cause you got about to trip old. Burnout. When you eat. You gotta light up the place.
Let me get some
I didn't get my choppy on me.
I didn't got this corner though.
Get my choppy on me, my cousin.
Wow. That's why I gotta get the fuck out the corner.
Get my choppy on me, man.
Yo,
Nigga, wireless, man.
I gotta move my shit. Immediately my Jig Nation, I'm moving down. Not right here, my Jig Nation. Swing his shit too, I think. Look, give me look. I'm about to move right here.
Walking that shit.
Yeah, so walking that shit. He walking that shit. So walking that shit.
I was just in the dead end, you heard?
I'm saying you gotta get out of there, twin.
Yeah, they gonna let you do. Guys, what you think? Niggas a million niggas like, hey, you right.
New York City.
Right.
Yo, damn, twin. I don't know where my chappy go, twin. I see a little khaki sitting in a file trying to go grab up, Rip. Who that right there? Oh, he bugging. Oh, no more. Oh. I love New York.
I've been a rocket solid forever, seen the island. Let it catch a fire, first class, you go tell them on a different time. Falling back out the hood every day, a nigga dying.